Hi guys, happy Thursday. I hope you are doing well surviving the snow. It's really pretty when you can stay safe and warm indoors. I want to talk to you about what is happening for week 6 and 7. And so before that, please know that you can revise these essays and it is underneath essay revisions on this tab. So I click on it and then you need to answer the questions and then paste your old paper. So you can get that from Blackboard if you can't find your original paper. And then I need you to revise that essay and highlight everything that you changed. So if you changed a whole paragraph, then highlight that and then submit it. And I promise you, one person did it yesterday and their grade went up by 1 letter grade. So this is not negligible. It will absolutely help your grade. Please do that. And please reach out to me for any feedback you need. You also have extra credit available, so you can attend any VU event with the speaker, and you can also write a short summary of how to be a good online student at that little link there below, and then you just submit it. And there will be extra credit midterm that you submit right there. So there's lots of opportunities. If you aren't happy with your grade the way it currently is, you can absolutely get it up and have the grade that you'd like. So for week 7, for week 6 next week, we're doing Tom Sawyer. Please know that I am under help. I'm creating sort of resources because we will have a midterm exam and we will have a final exam. Luckily, the final isn't cumulative, but I'm giving you sort of more information, more notes than we've taken in class so that if you want to teach these later, you will. And then I'm also doing this thing called teaching tips because many of you said, I really want practical ideas on how to teach. So the fairy tales, I gave you one hint. Every unit, I'll give you sort of a teaching method that you could use. And then hopefully we'll be able to share those two in our group session. So I'm going to go back here to weekly work, and we are moving. Sadly, in this class we go through a lot, so we have to read a lot. Tom Sawyer is starting, and we click on this, and I just moved everything from the novel into the weeks. So all work is going to be due by Friday next week. You have the final draft of your illustration essay. You're reading chapters 1 through 3 and then 6 through 10 in Tom Sawyer. There's a short web quest, and I will highlight that underneath the teaching tips so you can find that. But you'll go through this web quest and get information. Again, inquiry-based learning, you finding your own information versus me like giving it to you in a PowerPoint. So then we have the next week, week 7. We'll be reading more. Those are the chapters that we'll be reading for Tom Sawyer. You will have a discussion board. I believe that I'm going to probably move that to your group discussion. And then you will have a character eulogy. So that's kind of what's happening for the next couple of weeks. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for your patience. And we'll keep plugging along. Have a great weekend.